see how fast you can chug down a water bottle. Oh my god. I can't do it. Get somebody else to do this. How much I drink? Oh, Jesus Christ. This is how much I drank. So, it was already right here. And I drank the milk. So yeah, that's my new challenge. You guys can try it all over the world. It's a really decent challenge. So, try it. Oh my. I can't do them. I'm too full. Well, bye.